So just a quick one for those who are trying to get the stickiness off the jag buttons. As you can see on this one here, sticky. It's got that sticky effect. But with a couple of bits and a bit of patience, you can actually get it off without all this stuff. So if you can see on this one, these are ones I've already done without any Stanley knife or rubbing for ages. So there will be a little bit and a little bit of patience that you need to have to get this off. But what I'll do is I'll just show you how I do it. So the things that you need, so you take this section out of your car, it just pops out, and on the back you've got a couple of Torx heads to just simply unscrew. From that bit then, you get these inside. Now these just pop out of the little holders there, so if you get yourself a little tool, so one of the plastic tools, make sure it's plastic, put it inside and simply pop it out, and they will just come out. So once you've got those out, you'll have this one like this, and what you need to do is take your plastic tool that you've got, and believe it or not, it may look a bit shocking at first, but it does work. So you need your plastic tool, some brake cleaner, and a microfiber cloth. Right, so here we go. So as I mentioned, what you do is you take your plastic tool and your piece, and what you're going to do is you just turn it round and you're going to scrape along it. Now because it's plastic, it's not actually scratching it or cutting into it like you would get from a Stanley blade, because trust me, I tried that too until I found this. So we basically scrape along, and as you can see there on the end, I don't know if you can see it, yeah, there it is coming off without scratching. So have a bit of patience and go over it. So you can see there it's still coming off. So if I just show you that bit, you can see where they've scraped along it, but it's not taking the writing off. Like I say, you do need to have a little bit of patience and the time to scrape it off, but you can see there it's coming off. Don't put anything on it before you scrape it. Just scrape it as it is until you've got the majority off. You will see little lines there and things like that where there's little bits that have been scraped over but not fully come off, but that's okay. But just get as much as you can with using the plastic tool, the plastic trim tool. Once you've got the majority of it off, it should look something like that. Okay, a bit rough. So what you're going to do, take the corner of your microfiber, a little blast of brake cleaner, and literally just rub over the top. Again, don't need to go mad pressing really hard on it, just give it a rub over the top with it. Around the edges. And there you go. Oh, nice and smooth. All gone. And that is the easiest way to get the sticky button off.